Hi and welcome to TWI Junior Pro. I am Nati and this is Joseph Kwasi and Popo. And we are here. Well, I am here actually to learn how to speak TWI because I am married to this handsome young fellow. But I cannot speak TWI to save my life. All I can say is Aquaba. If thieves are coming, I can say midase.
Wait, thieves are coming, say midase.
Or mikoda.
When
That
thieves
is
are coming,
all I can say. I can't even say help
wait,
or
wait.
stop.
So what are you saying?
Nothing.
You're saying
So
welcome. I'm going to sleep.
Yes. We are here
I think that's
to
good.
teach me how to speak.
That'll be hilarious. That'll be so funny.
Okay. It's funny that thieves are coming for me.
Remember that one, right? That'd be so funny. That'd be so funny. Yes. Welcome. I'm going to sleep. What?
Okay, yes. Mr. Kwasi.
Yeah.
Mr. Kwasi. Kwasi. Yes, I just want to know, how do I fend off robbers?
What do you mean?
How do I say help
Huh.
or help me
Okay.
or
Screaming.
stop that man?
Okay, which one do you want first?
Help.
Help. We don't have help. Well, we have, okay, help is boa.
Boa. Boa! Boa!
But you know what me is already. So you can call it.
Boa me!
Yes.
Boa me!
Mm.
Boa me!
Yes, that's
Okay,
help me. What else?
Stop that man! He has my bag!
Oh, okay, that's a long sentence.
Stop that man!
That's a beginner's
Stop
course.
him!
Gyina is stop.
Gyina.
Mm.
Gyina!
That you're basically telling him to stop. That man, it's a bit long. Man is barima. That would be no.
Gyina Bema!
No.
Stop man.
You have to put no. Stop that man. That is no.
Gyina. Gyina Noma and Gyina.
Barima no.
Gyina Bema Noma. No, wait, no.
Oh, Gyina barima no.
Gyina Bema no.
Yes, stop that
Gyina
man.
Bema no.
Yes, stop that man.
He's got my bag.
God is kuta, which is like
Kuta.
carry. Yes. Bag is bag. So you'd say
Gyina Bema no.
or kuta.
Gyina. Oh, kuta. Oh, kuta bag.
Me bag.
Me bag.
Yeah, so it would be
Gyina
Bema
Bema no.
or kuta.
Oh, kuta.
Me bag.
Me bag.
Man, this like not even intermediate. This is okay, no, it's fine, yes.
Gyina Bema no.
Or kuta.
Oh, kuta.
Me
Me bag.
Yes.
You see, I learned something today. I done learned how to stop a man who done stole my bag.
Hi guys, before we start, I just want to say Afinshiapa. Again, Afinshiapa, which is a seasonal greeting that actually applies to both Christmas and New Year's. Again, Afinshiapa. So happy 2021 guys. I hope it's actually better than 2020. So the clip that you guys just watched was actually my first clip with Nati, right? So before we actually started this whole YouTube journey, we sat down and we had a trial video to see if we liked it, right? So I just wanted to share that with you, and it was nice for me to actually find it again. So let's recap on what was said in the video, right? So what Nati wanted to find out was how to say, stop that man, he's got my bag. Now that in TWI can literally be said in 3 ways, but let's focus on the one that was said in the video, right? So what was said in the video was Gyina barima no okuta me bag, which is stop that man, he has my bag, right? Now let's break a few things down. Gyina is stop, as I already showed over there. Barima is man. Okuta, kuta is hold or has, right? Me bag, right? Now in TWI we don't have the word bag, hence it's written as baage. We derive it from the word bag. So the sentence again is Gyina barima no okuta me baage. Right? Now the other 2 ways that one can actually say it, even though the sentence will change a bit, but it will have the same meaning, would be Gyina barima no wafa me baage. Again, Gyina barima no wafa me baage, which in English would be stop that man, he has taken my bag, which roughly means the same thing, right? And the last way that one can actually say that again in TWI would be Gyina barima no wawia me baage. Again, Gyina barima no wawia me baage. Now, wia in TWI is actually stole. Well, wia is steal. So the whole sentence in English would be stop that man, he has stolen my bag. Again, Gyina barima no wawia me baage. Right? Now, one can also say, stop that thief. Now, that in TWI can be said as Gyina ɔkorɔmfoɔ no. Ɔkorɔmfoɔ is a thief. So again, Gyina ɔkorɔmfoɔ no. Right? So with that out of the way, let's start today's lesson. I had two people that needed me to translate something. And the first person that wanted me to translate something was Afa Ray. Afa Ray, thanks again for your continued support. Happy New Year's. So this is what Afa Ray wanted to know. All of this is the reason why I don't talk to him anymore. Now that in TWI can be said as we oye nyinaa na mennkasa ne ho bio. So if you say we oye, you're saying this is. Nyinaa is all. Nti, reason why. So this is the reason why. Na mennkasa ne ho bio is why I'm not speaking to him anymore. So again, we nyinaa na mennkasa ne ho bio, or ye nyinaa na mennkasa ne ho bio. Now the second person that needed me to translate something was Mujeeb. Mujeeb, thanks again for your continued support and Happy New Year's. And these are the three things that Mujeeb wanted me to translate. The first thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was hasn't come out. Hasn't come out. Now that in TWI can be said as Ɛmmaa abɔnten. Again, Ɛmmaa abɔnten. And the second thing that Mujeeb wanted to know was she doesn't eat much. Now that in TWI can be said in two ways. Now the first way one can actually say that in TWI is Ɔnnidi kɛse or Ɔnnidi dodo. Again, Ɔnnidi kɛse or Ɔnnidi dodo. Right? So Ɔnnidi is the person doesn't eat. Kɛse is a lot. Dodo is too much. So again, you can say that in two ways. Ɔnnidi kɛse or Ɔnnidi dodo. And the last thing that Mujeeb wanted me to translate was it is this small beans that everyone is eating. But I think what Mujeeb wanted to know was it's this the small beans that everyone is eating. Now that in TWI can be said as Edua ketewaa na obiara redi. Or you can say Edua ketewaa na obiara edi. Again, Edua is beans. Ketewaa is the small beans. Na obiara is everyone. Redi is eating or edi. Right? So again, Edua ketewaa na obiara redi. Or you can say Edua ketewaa na obiara edi. Mujeeb, I hope that was helpful. So guys, that's the end of our first lesson in 2021. I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you. The goal for this year was actually to reach 10,000 subscribers. So guys, please continue spreading the word. Let anyone who wants to learn TWI or wants to find out what TWI is about come to this channel. And hopefully if they go through the content, they will love it enough to actually subscribe and join the family. Guys, again, do take good care of yourself, right? Please be safe, wash your hands, make sure everything is sanitized as it should be. Remember to get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn TWI quicker. And guys, if you like the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, please click on the subscribe button, and please click on the bell button for future notifications. Guys, till next week, with lots of love. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot. In 2 weeks time, we'll be having our live session, right? So guys, please do come prepared with all your questions and what you want to know. We also announce our dates for our first class, our first private lessons. So please join us with lots of love from me, Kɛse. See you next week. Bye.